Yo, if you are serious about making money online and you haven't joined Live Good yet, you definitely need to take the 5-minute Live Good tour. And you can do that by clicking the first link in the description. Now let's get to the video. Yo, I'm about to share with you 5 ways that you could turn your passion into profit. All right, welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, I am a firm believer that you can turn your passion, whatever it is, into profit. Now, it really do depend on, I do believe certain passions will make more money than others, but ultimately, you know what I'm saying? I think you can turn your passion into profit. Now, I do know there's a lot of other people out there that's like, man, damn that, you got to just follow the money. It ain't about what you into. It's about what the market is into. It's about what the world is into. Well, I disagree, all right? Because I think that pretty much whatever it is people are into, it can be monetized, whether it be if you're into dancing, if you're into fishing, if you're into drawing, if you're into celebrity gossip, if you're into meditation, if you're into making money, if you're into real estate. I mean, come on, man, the list goes on and on and on. So any of them things that I just named, you can profit from that, and there are actually people doing that as I make this video. All right, so you should feel happy knowing that whatever you into, you can make some money from it. So let's get into it. First of all, this is in no particular order, but you can actually do all of these methods or just pick one or two and you can start generating some income. The first way is obvious, baby. It's YouTube. All right, no matter what your passion is about, you can create a YouTube channel about it and just start creating content. And nowadays it's so damn easy, to put up content because of shorts and everything. You can make 15-second videos and start getting a lot of traffic, a lot of subscribers, and even, building up your list or even generating sales, right, off of YouTube. And you can start doing that today. And once again, it doesn't matter what your passion is, because, if you're into fishing, you can create a fishing YouTube channel and you could talk about, the best fishing rods, the best boats, the best baits to use. You could even do like vlogs where you actually just take people with you when you go fishing, and you can literally just film yourself fishing. I'm sure those types of videos will get views, and you can, monetize your YouTube channel, and then you can actually add other products and things like that you can sell on your channel. A second way that you could turn your passion into profit is very close to YouTube, and that's by creating your own podcast. Podcasts are getting more and more popular every day. I think in the next couple years, actually, podcasts and videos are going to be like neck and neck. Right now, I think videos are here, and then podcasts are like right here. But podcasts are like creeping up. They are so damn popular and they are so easy to create. All you need to get started with a podcast is just a microphone, USB microphone, and just any sort of software program that you can record into, and boom, you can get a podcast up in the next day or two, and there you have it. So when it comes to what your podcast is about, it's the same technique as, your YouTube channels. You can have podcasts talking about, your hobby. Once again, if you are a dance teacher, your podcast can be about, different styles of dancing, and you can actually interview people on your podcast. I mean, it's just limitless ideas. But once again, this can drive traffic. You can get advertising dollars, and you can actually promote stuff on your podcast, similar to what you would do on YouTube. And now you can do both on YouTube. You can host your podcast and your video content on YouTube. All right, a third way that you could turn your passion into profit is by merch. All right, nowadays it is so damn easy to get, coffee mugs with your logo on it, or your saying, whatever your catchphrase is. You can get t-shirts designed, hoodies, even shoes, right? You can get shoes now, right? So it's like, when it comes to merch, I mean, it's limitless, right? So once again, you could create a store based around your passion. whatever it is. So let's just say you are a chef, right? You're like, oh, how you gonna, you know, get merchandise about your chef? Well, if you got a logo, if you got a cooking company or whatever, or if you got certain catchphrases that you use when you eat, right? Whenever you cook, whatever, you can put that on t-shirts and hoodies and coffee mugs and so on and so on, and then create content, right, on YouTube or whatever, and you can promote your merch on your YouTube channel, on your podcast, on your social media, and that's how you can profit from your passion. A fourth way that you can turn your passion into profit is by writing a Kindle book. All right, now your boy, yeah, I ain't no, you know, expert, you know what I'm saying, writer, but I got, I believe, 6 or 7 books that sells every month on Amazon. All right, and if I can do it, you can do it too. All right, so once again, whatever your passion is about, write about it, right? Write stories about it, and they don't all got to be how-to books and stuff like that. You can literally write a book that's just related to your passion, whatever you're into. Create a story about it, or it could be a tutorial guide or a fiction or whatever you into. Damn it, you know what I'm saying? Just write it and get it up on Kindle, and you can actually start earning money by doing that. Now, once again, whenever you upload a book on Kindle, you can sit back and just, you know, kind of wait for sales to come in, because people, depending on how popular your passion is or the topic, whatever, people can find your, you know, books on Kindle, right? Because honestly, I don't even really promote any of the books that I have for sale on Kindle, and I still make sales. But, right, once again, you can promote your Kindle books via your social media, YouTube, TikTok, whatever. You can actually promote your book using those platforms. And the last but not least way that you can turn your passion into profit is by creating a course or having a paid user community. All right, so depending on, you know, what your passion is and what you feel comfortable doing, you can easily create a course, right, that may tell you, you know, how to do it. Going back to fishing, right, you can create a course, you know, like all video tutorials and everything about, you know, how to become the best fisher. Or, you know, if you're a bowler, or if you're a golfer, if you're a dancer, if you're an artist, you make beats. You see where I'm going with this, right? You can create a course, right? And you can sell it for, you know, $47. You can sell it for $197. You can sell it for $997. Whatever you want to do, you can do, because you the boss, right? Now, maybe you don't want to create a course. That's fine. You ain't got to do that. You can create like a member community, because a lot of people do it on YouTube. For example, like like Tasha K. She's like the celebrity gossip lady, right? She actually has a paid community where you can get like the uncut and raw, you know, instead of the stuff she can't do on YouTube. You can go over to her paid community, pay like $5, $10 a month, and, you know, you get the uncut raw stuff. If your passion fits under that umbrella, then you can easily create a community and charge, you know, $5 a month or $10 a month, right? And you can give all access to whatever, right? If you want to share, if you want to have like a members area where it's more like raunchy, uncut stuff, like some OnlyFans type thing, you can do that, right? You can do that. It's on you. And once again, you can promote, you know, your membership site or your course using YouTube, your podcast, even your Kindle book, all of that stuff. You can promote, you know, your course or your membership community. Now, I'm sure there are a lot of other ways that you can profit from your passion, but these are 5 solid ways that you can start right now. But if you are looking for another way that you can start making money online, and actually how I make money online, click that first link in the description.